Hey there, this is Alex from Wanilla, and this is a tutorial video on how to import a sketch file to the Wanilla app and preview them. So I'm going to open up the app. I've already created and registered with an account, and I'm going to log in. And initially, there are no apps there. We haven't created any. So I'm going to tap the plus icon on the top left, and that will create a version. So a version is effectively your app. It will have all the screens and all the flows here on the left. As soon as I tap that version, you'll see on the detail page of the screen a list of modules, which is now empty. It only has add module, and a module is any individual flow that you have within your app. That could be your onboarding, that would be your login, that would be your checkout, or that would be any other part of your app. So I will tap on add module, and I will be prompted to open a sketch file or not. I will select yes, and there are two options here, one for files and one for Dropbox. I will open files, and here is a list of some sketch files that I have downloaded on my device, and I will select Lotus Playlist 1 sketch. The app will take that file and transform it into an app, and if you see on the bottom right there is a play icon. If I tap that, the preview panel appears, and this view that is visible on the screen shows you how it will be the app, how it will be rendered on the phone. As you see here, it's a fully iOS native application. There's no screenshots there. So now that I've done that, I can also go and see all the screens that are listed in my file. On this one, actually, there's just one. This is the details page of each module, and I'm gonna hit done now on that one, and I will try and load a file from Dropbox as well to show you how that's done. I will try the Nike.sketch this time, and the app will try download it and process it, and there you have it. Nike flow. Now you see here it has two screens. If I hit done and the play button again, I still see my previous module pop up here, and in order for me to switch to the new one, I will have to go into the module details and enable this switch on the right that says is root module, and the root module basically is the start of your app, where will the whole app will be starting. Now if I go back and click the preview button again, you see that it immediately switched to the new module that we created. Now if your sketch file has already set up the screen flows within it, then that will automatically be translated into Wanilla, and the screens will be flowing from their origin point. So for instance, in this particular one, this red button checkout launches the next screen down the line, which is that. If I go back, so you got navigation as well for free. Thank you for watching.